In this video, we'll be explaining how COVID-19 has affected the uniform and work apparel industry and the current state of things left in the wake of the global crisis. For industries such as fast food, aviation, pharmaceuticals, and the like, uniforms are a common everyday necessity for its employees. However, with COVID-19 having been declared a global pandemic, many industries, businesses, retail stores, and their employees are closing their doors as a result in an effort to flatten the curve and keep their staff and customers safe and healthy. As of June 2020, there are over 6 million cases of COVID-19 in over 185 countries, with nearly 2 million in the United States alone. So what does that mean for the uniform industry? Thankfully, health authorities have declared that the linen, uniform, and facility industries are in fact an essential service in the battle against the novel coronavirus and are remaining open nationwide. Since most hotels, healthcare facilities, restaurants, manufacturing, infrastructure, government agencies, and the like are remaining open, albeit with restrictions to the public, uniform and work apparel businesses are remaining open as well, as such industries supply the essential, environmentally friendly, reusable textiles they require. Because of the quarantine mandate, the designation of essential services allow laundries to stay open so they can serve other businesses that were also given the same special designation. This includes grocery stores, pharmacies, food processing, home-based care, public utilities, labs, first responders, and other necessary supply chain businesses in the retail, manufacturer, and distributor sectors. The Textile Services Association has demonstrated in particular that healthcare and social care services cannot function adequately or safely without the use of bed linens, scrubs, patient gowns, and more. They also need to be washed and sanitized to very high specifications or immediately disposed of due to risk of contamination. In fact, due to the increase in patients, demands for healthcare scrubs and sanitized linens are skyrocketing since the induction of the virus across the globe, thus affirming how truly essential uniform and work apparel is even in the direst of situations. And if a hospital runs out of any of these materials, new patients likely can't be admitted. Concerns have also been raised by healthcare workers and officials about the possibility of a lack of personal protective equipment, including masks, gowns, and eyewear. A lack of such equipment could mean healthcare workers face a higher risk of exposure to the virus, and in turn means accidentally exposing it to other patients, their families, or their coworkers. While laundries and textile services are deemed essential, that likely won't stop them from suffering hard losses during this process. Like any other business, COVID-19 threatens to further disrupt these necessary industries. The longer the virus pandemic lasts, the more harm it'll cause to these services. Early reports from the TRSA president and CEO, Joseph Ritchie, indicate that healthcare facilities are nearing capacity and restaurants and hotels may need to lay off workers. Without immediate action from the federal government, many laundries could potentially close their doors and eliminate providers of these services and leave the country ill-prepared for a rebound. So we can all rest easier, but not for long. Unless the virus slows, all industries will continue to be affected by it, including the essential businesses that are allowed to be open during this time. And as always, stay home and stay safe. We're all in this together.